Welcome back to the 211 Counts video series. This video will give you a look at the control panel, which is the gray strip at the top of the page. The drop-down menus control the data that you see below. Here is the 211 Counts icon. Clicking on this icon will take you back to the home page. Moving to the right, you will see Choose Data to Display. 211 Counts begins by showing data for all of the call center's territory. Clicking on the drop-down menu labeled All will display ways to narrow the data to one geographic area. You can look at the data by zip code, county, congressional district, state house district, state senate district, or region. After you have made your selection, click Search to display the data below. You can also choose to see the data from a particular time frame. By default, 211 Counts shows the data from the last 12 months. Click on the drop-down menu labeled Last Year to change the time frame. You can also choose data from the last 6 months, the last 3 months, the last month, the last week, or yesterday. You can also choose another date by clicking on Custom Date and either typing in the date you want or using the pop-up calendar. Total calls and total service requests reflect all calls and requests to the call center during the selected time range. Since this is for the call center as a whole, it only changes by time and not by region. The total service requests is often higher because one caller may request more than one service. To link to the home page for the 211 call center, click on the 211 logo. To know more about 211 Counts, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, please find us on Facebook. We want to know how you're using 211 Counts, and we'd love to hear your suggestions, so please leave comments.